Okay, we're going to be looking at subtraction using trading today. Our learning intention for this task is that I can use the written algorithm to solve subtraction problems using trading. I'll know I've been successful if I meet the following criteria. I use the written algorithm to solve subtraction problems, and I use trading to solve the problem when the subtrahend is larger than the minuend. First of all, to know it's a subtraction problem, I need to be able to see the subtraction sign. I can also see the equal sign. The number at the top, the larger number, is called the minuend. The number that I am taking away or subtracting is called the subtrahend. It needs to be smaller than the minuend. And finally, when all those things come together, I get my answer, which I call the difference. Let's have a look at a demonstration of a subtraction problem. So here we can see the sum 67 take away 25. I know it's a subtraction problem because I can see the subtraction sign. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the units column. Now, the minuend in the units column is a 7 and the subtrahend is a 5. So I have to do 7 take away 5. Which gives me an answer of 2. When I go to the 10, I can see a 6 and a 2. The minuend is a 6, the subtrahend is a 2. So it's 6 take away 2. Which gives me an answer of 4. Combined, I get the answer of 42. Let's now look at a subtraction problem that uses trading. So here I have the problem 43, take away 25. I can see the subtraction sign, so I know it's a takeaway. When I look at the units column, my minuend is a 3 and my subtrahend is a 5. Now I can't take away 5 from 3, so I need to use some trading. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go across the tens column. Here I can see the 4. Now I'm going to break up the 4 and I'm going to use part of it to help me solve my units. So I'm going to break my 4 up into and 1. I'm going to bring it over to make 13. So I add the tens to the units column to make the number 13. I can then do 13 take away 5. An answer of 8. I'm going to go back to the tens column. Now I can no longer use that 4 because I've traded half of it away or some of it away. So I have to use the 3. We're going to pretend like the 4 is no longer there. So my minuend is now 3 and my subtrahend is 2. So 3 take away 2 is 1. Gives me an answer of 18. Next, we're going to look at a subtraction problem using trading with larger numbers. So, here we have the sum 569 take away 185. I look at my units column and my minuend is 9 and my subtrahend is 5. 9 take away 5 is 4. I'm then going to go over to my tens. My minuend is 6 and my subtrahend is 8. I can't do 6 take away 8 without trading. I'm going to continue moving left and I'm going to go over to my hundreds column and I'm going to break up the 5 in the minuend. So that 5 is going to become 1 and I'm going to take the 1 over back to the 10 to make 16. I'm now going to do 16 take away 8, which is 8. Remember, I can't use that 5 anymore because I've traded some of it away. I have to look. I'm going to do 4 take away 1, 3. So my answer to 569 take away 185 is 384.